Hey y'all, it's Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I will be doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me. I already started on my brows because I'm using my Sally's Beauty Supply brow pencil and my Collab Shape and Define brow pencil thingy, whatever. Alright, so I'm dressed now and I'm going to show you my outfit, but before I do, I need to set my face. But I'm just going to set my face with my badecu rose water, my favorite. This is my setting spray fan. Now I'm just going to take my Victoria's Secret Bombshell lotion and, you know, lotion my arms and stuff. You know, the spray, the Victoria's Secret body mist. I have on my Swarovski crystal necklace. You can't really see right now. I have on my pink fossil watch and just some studs. So now onto the outfit portion. Alright, you guys, so this is my Valentine's Day outfit. I just have on my new wide leg pants. You see, with the little tie right here, and I have on my heels that I love, they're not my only pair, but my favorite pair of heels. And I have on this shirt I made. It's just pink and flowy, and I just tucked it in to match my pink watch or whatever. And you could just throw a little jacket over it, a blazer. Alright, you guys, so I put on my blazer, you know, in case Bay is taking you somewhere nice and it's a little chilly in there. Oh, my blazer has pockets. It came from Charlotte Russe. My pants are from Love Culture, and I made my shirt. My shoes are from, I call it Spring. I got them on sale. My watch is Fossil. My necklace is Swarovski crystal. My phone case is Walmart. All that good stuff. Guys, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me get ready for Valentine's Day. I hope you have a great day today. Don't forget to check out this bun tutorial. Remember to love yourself first above all else. Look for love in yourself before you look for it outward in someone else. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.